Hiya, welcome back again. Today I'm showing you the recipe that I did under lockdown. Spring roll with sweet Swiss. Sorry, I can never pronounce fish sauce right. Spring rolls with sweet fish sauce. Got a bunch of rice peppers at home. Yeah, I've got it at home, so I use them. And I've got chicken breast and lemongrass, kaffir lime leaves, and galinga. These three will make your meat taste better. And I've got some veggies as well, like lettuce, cucumber, 3 different colors of bell peppers, carrot, and 2 Khmer chilies. You can use any veggies that you have at home. And then I've got bean sprouts, a dried egg noodles, and I've got a handful of Khmer basil that I grow in my front garden, and just some roasted peanuts. Here's the list that you need in order to make this happen, and as I mentioned before, that veggies are optional, but probably you really need something soft like lettuce. And normally in Cambodia, if we having spring onions, we always have it with soy sauce. This might be different from an Asian restaurant that serve it in the West. First, just soak bean sprouts in hot water for 5 minutes, and the reason why we did this because we want them to be soft. And just soak dry noodles in hot water and keep it there until it's cooked. Put like lemongrass, kaffir lime leaves, and the galinga root. Keep them there for 10 minutes, and then put the chicken breast in. But don't forget to put a bit of salt in as well. Simmer it until it's cooked. Then put the chicken breast in a bowl of ice water. Then shred your chicken into small pieces. Smaller is better. In this case, a bit of sesame oil in it to make sure that they don't stick together. Chop cucumber like this. Smaller is better. Actually, mine here is a bit big. And then chop bell peppers like you can see here. Smaller is better. Then we prepare carrot. Just shred carrot into small pieces because carrot can be really hard, so you need to make sure it's small. And then cut lime like this. Then cut Khmer chili like this, just small pieces. And then cut red shallots in thin layers. After that, we can pound roasted peanut. Just keep it somewhere. And also pound garlic cloves as well. Just keep them together, it's going to be fine. Put pounded garlic there. Also red shallots. 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and lime juice from 1 whole lime. Then just stir it a bit to make sure everything dissolved. 4 tablespoons of water, my chilies on top. Just place your rice peppers in water for 5 seconds. Then place it on top of a cutting board. And after that, just place the veggies that you like on top of it. And meat as well. And a noodles. And then you can start wrapping it like you can see here. But if anyone has the better technique of wrapping spring onions, please comment down below. I appreciate it. And that's it, we got 1 spring onions. Oh my god, I always say spring onions. And then we can start and place the sweet sauce in a small bowl, and a bit of roasted peanut that we just pounded, and that's it, we're good to go. And thank you so much for watching until the end. Please subscribe and like this video. Thank you, bye!